Ottawa Food Truck Rally.
Yep.
With Joe and Michaela at seejoesmile. This is the Urban Cowboy, Texas street food, and this is a brisket burger sampler.
Can you describe it for us?
The bun is potato bun, homemade.
Yeah.
Which gives a lightness to the dough that I really appreciate, and then the burger barbecue sauce is light, but it's tasty.
Okay. What about the fries there?
Sweet potato fries, tempura coated with a chipotle aioli.
Aioli?
Delight.
All right, so 1 for 1 at the food truck rally.
1 for 1.
Got it.
On to round 2 at the food truck rally, and it's from Chowdown Vietnamese food. So we ordered the shrimp rolls, which
With
is
peanut sauce.
Yeah, rice paper, noodles, basil, lettuce type ingredients, cucumber, and shrimp.
All right, dig in.
Okay. Oh, I dropped the noodle. Whoops.
That's okay. It's a little bit tricky to eat, but it's very refreshing and light. It's not a heavy meal, eh? What else would you say about it?
I'm a big basil fan, and Asian noodle fan, and shrimp fan, and they just put it all in a wrap for me. So, 2 for 2.
2 for 2.
Truck rally.
And we're back with Michaela, who's about to eat something that she'd never eaten before. It's a bao.
Bao, or a bao. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Yeah, bao, and it has chicken and chickpea curry.
Yeah, it looks really good.
And it's big.
And we just had a slider from the
Yep.
lunch truck. It was good.
Turkey, bacon, cranberry, delicious.
Arugula.
This one looks big,
This
boss.
is sriracha. That's for Joe. I'm probably not gonna have that.
That's for me.
I don't want to spill it all.
Good luck.
over me.
Yeah. 4 for 4.
It's very fluffy and light. The cilantro is adding nice freshness.
Is it spicy?
No, not really. A little bit, not that much. Yeah, very good.
Thank you. We'll be back. Hey.
Hi, good afternoon. It's round 5 at the food truck rally in Ottawa. This is from the Red Roaster.
Yeah.
It's called chicken on a bun. Chicken, avocado, lettuce, bacon, cheese, ranch dressing.
Okay.
It's gonna be a messy one.
You can do it. I have faith in you.
Oh, tomato. I forgot.
Yup is all you can say. The flavors go well together. Cooked well. Yeah. She's speechless, folks.
I got food in my mouth. We're in line for the Grilled Chesserie. And then we're gonna get some.
Okay, you're on.
All right, hey, so we're still at the food truck rally, and we're sipping from this Sweet Tux hard pear cider, which I didn't know if I wanted to try, because I was trying the apple first, but this is actually the best one.
I'm so glad it's delicious.
I could just drink the whole thing in one go if I wanted to.
We tried all of them, and then the lady filled up our cups again, so
They had excellent customer service.
we're going to follow them on, what, Twitter, Facebook?
We're gonna like them on
the
Facebook
whole
and Twitter.
thing, the whole shebang.
Maybe we'll even become a sponsor.
And then we got grilled cheese
Yeah, golden fries.
and golden fries. Yeah.
They're good. They're good. I can make it at home, but it's good. Yeah.
Okay.
We only have 3 things.
So what's the winner so far?
The winner,
What I had.
the sweet potato fries at Urban Cowboy, I think, for me. That's the one. But everything's been great. I'd say it's a 6 for 6 today.
Yes.
Yeah,
Going to be 7 for 7.
7 for 7 soon. That's right. final stop of the day at the Mary Dairy, which makes frozen custard. And we got some, so tell us what it's like, Michaela.
Ice cream, so it's gonna be delicious.
Well, it's actually frozen custard. I think there's a distinction there. No?
So good.
Michaela is impressed.
You're gonna need to eat this immediately.
She's right, folks. It's pretty amazing. Very rich.
We went 7 for 7.
7 for 7 at the Ottawa Food Truck Rally.
Yeah.
Good times. Well, this has been fun.
Yeah.
Now we gotta go home and lie down.
Take a nap.
Take a nap. Alright, so thanks for visiting with us, and we'll stay tuned for more music and more fun adventures. Peace.